Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for April 19th, 2017. For your Wednesday, we're expecting a mostly cloudy day today, and there's a couple of reasons for that. We have a warm front that's going to be kind of draped over the region, but the high pressure that is sitting in the Gulf of Maine is going to be the culprit for the onshore flow, and that is going to allow for these mostly cloudy conditions today. Do have an opportunity to see an afternoon stray shower move through the area. I don't think this is going to be a big deal, although the NAM high-res future simulated radar is indicating that it will be a concentrated area of showers or spotty showers. So don't be surprised if it's a little bit more than just spotty. But here is noon as we move into the early afternoon. You can see it's widely scattered, very hit or miss, but this is 2 p.m. now. And then moving over to 3, 4, 5, and it's finally starting to move off. Mainly just concentrating in the northern areas after that through the evening, but then that kind of dies down as well. But you will have the opportunity for that isolated shower that will occur generally during the afternoon hours this afternoon. But mostly cloudy skies because of that onshore flow, southeast wind that will be occurring today, keeping us mostly cloudy, but mostly dry because of that high pressure influence. So not a real big deal today with the rainfall. And here you can see in the evening, again, generally as the warm front pushes through and settles off to the north, you will have some showers that will be possible along that frontal boundary. And then again, late tonight, you'll have an opportunity for a few showers since that front did not completely clear to the north yet. Once that does, we will have some clearing in here, and we'll also get temperatures that will push upward into the 70s because we'll have a little bit of clearing in the afternoon, maybe some showers in the morning, a few showers and those clouds around, maybe some breaks of sun in the afternoon, and temperatures will be getting up into the 70s, we think. Cold front is going to be approaching from the west, so you have a combination of high pressure offshore, very familiar sight we've had lately in advance of a cold front. You have that southwesterly flow out ahead of it. They get these temperatures bumped up, and this will be coming through looks like late Thursday night and very early Friday. Before we get to that, here's a look at the temperatures that are expected for highs on Thursday. Again, that warm front is up to the north, and because of that, you have ample opportunity for temperatures to get well into the 70s here for highs on Thursday. And, of course, any sun that comes out will certainly help that process. Going a little bit forward here, again, this is a late night showers coming through with the cold front as it moves eastward. It kind of falls apart a little bit. This is a look at Friday morning. Still some clouds and maybe an isolated shower, or maybe even perhaps a thunderstorm very early in the morning, and then improving conditions in the afternoon. The sun's going to come out, becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon. And again, these were the highs for that we looked at here for for Thursday, losing track of days here. And then this is Friday. Ahead of that front, you still have temperatures are going to get up, at least for most of our coverage area, into the 70s. Again, closer to 80 down here by Philadelphia and points southeast for highs on Friday ahead of that front. But once the front comes through, again, it's going to kind of fizzle as it comes further south and east. But we are expecting not a whole lot of rain out of that. Maybe just an early shower again on Friday, and those clearing to occur in the afternoon. And then as we get a little bit further in time, we have another complex system. This is actually a cutoff low that has been modeled very differently over the last couple of days, not only from model to model, but also run to run within each model. So the latest discussion with this is looking like an opportunity for increasing clouds on Saturday, perhaps a late afternoon shower, but most of that's going to hold off unless you're in our southern areas, it looks like. And then as you get into the overnight hours, we'll have some rain start creeping northward, in association with this area of low pressure that's right off to the south. Now, the trend of this has been to push this a little bit further south, so this is still kind of up in the air yet. This is a look at Sunday morning with those showers, at least for east central PA, southeast PA, most of New Jersey in the showers at this point. But then again, this is Sunday morning. As we get to the next frame, it starts to shift a little bit further southeast, but I don't think you're getting rid of the clouds in most of the area. So I do think Sunday is a mostly cloudy day, and then improving conditions from northwest to southeast, it looks like, during the day on Sunday. Monday now looks dry completely, whereas before it looked like there was going to be showers lingering into Monday with a cutoff low off the East Coast. But this is still very possible. This is still kind of going back and forth here, so I wouldn't latch on to any ideas yet and expect that this is going to happen exactly as written here. But we'll see what happens. Right now we're going with a dry Monday and dry Tuesday. Here's a look at Tuesday, and we're also dry, at least partly cloudy, it looks like, for your day on Tuesday. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is our outlook for April 19th, 2017. Have a great Wednesday.